everyone, it was picnic week at the library this week. We had a fun craft and we had a fun story time with Miss Jess, and now we are going to make a fun picnic treat. We are going to make these apple ring donuts. Let's get started. So for these fun, healthy treats, the first thing you're going to need is an apple. Now, when you're cutting this, make sure you don't cut it this way, but this way, because we want them to be rings, like a donut. So the first thing you do is slice your apple. Your apple slice should look like this. I decided, if you have an apple core, you could use that. I decided to use a cute little cookie cutter heart in the middle, because I just thought it was cute to cut the core out of the apple. So next up, we are going to decorate. Now, this is my suggestion. Cut your apple slices and pack them up with toppings to go to the park. So when you're at the park, the kids can decorate their own individual treat. Now, for the icing on our apple ring donut, you can use peanut butter or a nut butter if you really want to do icing. I did icing on a few of these. Nutella, any kind of spread like that, depending upon how healthy you want to be. So today I am going to use peanut butter, and we are going to spread that peanut butter. Now, the trick to this is just pack a variety of treats. You can get nuts to put on as a topping. You can put raisins or chocolate chips, M&Ms if you want. It's just supposed to be fun and healthy. And like I said, they build their own. Who doesn't like apples and peanut butter? I'm more of an apple and almond butter kind of girl. But for today, we'll do this. So I'm spreading out that. And you can do, like I said earlier, chocolate chips. I put some cereal aside. Now, just like a lot of little kids, and fun cereal, I like the marshmallows. So I picked some marshmallows out to put on top of this. Bring some wipes with you, so no sticky hands. But again, because they have all these toppings, you want to build them there, and that gives them an activity there. So I mixed some white chocolate chips with the marshmallows from cereal, and I'm gonna just sprinkle those on, because it looks pretty. And I'm gonna top it off with some sprinkles, because you can't go wrong with sprinkles. And honestly, you can almost make this with anything. Like I said, nuts, chocolate chips, M&Ms, cereal, the list goes on. Even if it's flakes, like coconut flakes, anything you like that you would have on a donut, you can make that. I'm gonna add that right here to the rest of my friends. They look pretty good, don't they? So this is my pretty one. Those were some ones I made earlier. Your very own apple ring donuts to bring to your picnic. Enjoy, everyone.